after searching for countless setting, what is basically the best setting for the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 equalizer? Basically, I found this specific setting right here. Now, you want to get the official, or I mean the equalizer apo from your web browser. So simply search equalizer apo on Google, open up the official website, and then you want to get this option right here or this application instead. Now, once inside, you have two options to apply one of the best settings out there. Basically, if you wanted to use off the get-go, you could just finish installing the equalizer apo and then make sure that you restart your device because this is a new driver. So in order for your computer to recognize it, you actually have to restart it. And then just follow this options right here. You want to select HyperX Cloud through from the playback devices, open equalizer apo, and then inside the apo configuration editor, you want to simply use this config right here. But if you want to use it off the get-go, I also have a visual representation of the actual setting. Now in here, we are toggling it for our configuration for the HyperX Cloud 2. And then basically you could just select your speaker, make sure that you select all, so it will apply to left and right. And then you want to apply the following setting for the pre-amplifying, the frequencies that we have, and etc. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.